Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to recover Likee account. First of all, launch open Likee application. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to recover the Likee account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log in with your account. You'll be able to log in with Google, Facebook, phone, quick sign up and email. So what you have to do is tap on the login method of your choice. Here I'll select the option for email. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll have to provide the email address. Simply enter the email address associated with your account in this field. Once you do that, check on this option, Terms of Use, Privacy Policy. Now tap on this option, Sign up or log in with email that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Since you want to recover your account, what you have to do is simply reset your password by tapping on this option, Forgot Password. Now once you do that, you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. But for that, what you have to do is tap on this option, Send Code, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the code has been sent. Now open the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Likee has sent me the email. Tap on it. Now in that email, you'll be able to see the verification code. What you can do is long press in order to copy. Now tap on the option Copy. Now once you do that, it will be copied. Now go back to the Likee application. Enter the verification code over here. You can paste it from the clipboard. Now once you do that, enter the new password. Make sure to set the very strong password. Enter your password over here. Now once you do that, tap on this option Done that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account with your new password. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you recover Likee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.